It's Friday. The tanks are a bit murky because I've been overfeeding to get them grow a bit quicker. Sokoloffies are starting to go a bit longer now. Got the Aratus there, a good 3 centimetres, I'd say, good inch. The red zebs are a good centimetre now, I'd say. Some Kushakis in there as well, little ones. And here I've got some more Kushakis. I've got some Yarl Labs and some albino Sokoloffies. Then I've got some Kobus, which are just starting to get about an inch. And some Yarl Labs. Yarl Labs are starting to get the black on them now. And there's some Hongies in here as well. In this first tank. And then I've got some OBs. I've got 20 or 30 OBs.